Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Workspace two-step verification for IT security detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Google Workspace two-step verification, begin by logging into your Google Workspace admin account. Once logged in, navigate to the admin console. In the admin console, locate and click on Security. From the Security menu, select Two-Step Verification. You will see an overview of two-step verification. Click on Get Started to begin the setup process. Next, you'll need to decide whether to allow users to enable two-step verification for themselves. If you wish to enforce it for all users, select the option to enforce. After making your selection, click Save. Now, go back to the main security menu. Click on Users to manage individual accounts. Select the user for whom you want to enable two-step verification. In the user's account settings, choose Security Settings. Here, you will see the option for two-step verification. Click Security Settings and then click Enable. Now, the user will be prompted to set up their preferred second step. They can choose between using Google Authenticator, receiving a code via SMS, or a phone call. If selecting Google Authenticator, the user should download the app on their mobile device. Once the app is installed, they will scan the QR code provided on the screen. After scanning, the app will generate a code. The user should enter this code into the setup prompt. For SMS or phone call verification, they will need to enter their phone number. A verification code will be sent via SMS or a call to that number. The user should enter this code to complete the setup. Once completed, two-step verification will be enabled for their account. Review the options for backup codes as well. Encourage the user to download and save backup codes for future access. You have now successfully set up two-step verification for Google Workspace. To finalize, ensure all users are aware of this additional layer of security. Remind them to keep their verification methods updated and secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.